Climate. Say that word to most people and they might think of different things. Some people, when they hear the word climate, automatically think about climate change and how global warming is affecting the global climate. Other people might think other things when you say climate. They might think of a warm tropical climate near the equator where it's always sunny and warm. Or they might think of a polar climate in areas on Earth that are always colder. Well, today I'm going to share with you some other thoughts about climate, including something called a microclimate. So I'm going to take you to an interesting location not far from here to discuss the idea of microclimate to prepare us for this week as we learn more about climate. Right now, it's about 90 degrees outside, but in here, it's nice and cool. In fact, I've got goosebumps right now because I'm experiencing a microclimate. A microclimate is a localized environment where look at this, you can even see the steam coming out of my mouth, even though it's a hot summer day. It's rather chilly in here. This microclimate is an area of a significantly different climate than the surrounding area. Now, why is there a microclimate? Well, I'm in a place locally called the ice cave. Now, it's truly not a cave. It's actually an abandoned mine, but it's under the ground so deep here that it's like perpetually in the 50s, year-round. And so even though it might be really hot outside, it's nice and cool in here. And it's called Ice Cave because even though it might be very warm and sunny in May and June in the rest of the area in Warren County, here there might still actually be stalactites and stalagmites made out of ice. They persist that long from the winter even into the early and late spring. That's why this place is called the Ice Cave. And again, we're experiencing a very refreshing microclimate right now because it's a hot day out there. And I'm going to stay inside Ice Cave and rest a little bit. It's a hot 90-degree day, but not here. Right here, it's about 20 degrees cooler. Why? Well, here at Van Campen's Glen, which is another name for Little Valley, we've got flowing water, we've got lots of shade, we've got lots of cover from the sun. As a result, we're experiencing what's called a microclimate. This microclimate in this valley, typically 20 degrees cooler on a hot summer day. There's no swimming permitted, but just having a seat here after a nice hike gives you a break from the hot temperatures outside this glen. So as you study climate this week, I'd like you to remember a few things. Climate can mean different things, but it all relates to where you are on planet Earth. Whether you're located near the coast, or inland, or high above sea level, or just at sea level, there are a lot of different factors that you'll be exploring this week when determining climate.